All right, so tonight kicks off the activity. First is a brief hit of winter weather, and then we get right back into the rain, and it just continues for 5 days straight. Not to say that it's going to be 5 washouts, but there are going to be times during each of the next 5 days where you will see raindrops at your location. So as we look at the backtrack right now, not much happening. You go further south, and there it is. It is on the way. A warm front lifting north, a little bit of winter weather on the front edge. You can see it right there. And all of that is lifting north towards us. So it's only a matter of time. Let's go ahead and put the future track into play. Clouds thickening. You will no longer see the sun throughout the day, or maybe just a little bit, but not much. There's your rain getting into the southern counties right around 6, 7 o'clock tonight. It hits the 64 corridor right around 10 o'clock, and that's also where a little bit of that winter weather can fall. Mostly is snow and very minor amounts. In fact, less than an inch is all that we are expecting. After that, the heavy rain moves in, and it just keeps on coming all the way until Thursday. That'll be the first break, and then we get right back into it on Friday. So it's not going to take long, and we are going to continue to go with it. Now, as far as the snow potential, once again, less than an inch, and it all starts just south of 64 and goes all the way to the Ohio River. Everything south of that is not going to see anything, so a winter weather advisory for those counties until about 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. But once again, rain is the dominant form of precipitation. It's the one that's going to cause the most issues. And just until Friday morning, this is our potential. 1.5 to about 3, except for a few of our southeastern counties. So that's already the first wave. But keep in mind, we have 2 waves to get through. So what's going to happen is after that break on Thursday, next warm front starts to ride north. That brings in more rain. That goes through Saturday into Sunday. Cold front on the back end finally clears us. And that's it. We are finally back to a dry day. Monday will be dry, and then Tuesday we get right back into another rainy pattern. So it just keeps falling. Just going between tomorrow and Sunday, the next 5 days, we've got 3 to 4 for pretty much the entire state. Bluegrass down to Tennessee, 4 to 6. And if you happen to be just south of Bowling Green, you may get potentially more than that. So we are going to be talking about a lot of rain over the course of the next few days. Now, a flood watch has been issued. It takes effect tonight. It's going to go until Thursday morning. But I wouldn't be surprised. In fact, it's going to happen. They're going to push the watch all the way through Sunday at some point because the rivers, the streams, and the creeks will not have enough time to lower between the little break that we get Thursday and when the rain comes back into play Friday. So what we have going forward with temperatures, cool day today, but we do warm up with all this rain. That'll be the only silver lining, if you will. But the cold front will eventually start to cool us down. And all that rain is back in the forecast and sticking around. So for the next 8 days, have an umbrella, have a rain jacket, have something that will keep you dry from all of this rain because you will certainly need it. Now, Thursday is that one little break. It's going to be morning rain. Then after that, just kind of cloud coverage before the rain arrives Friday morning and then continues to push through the weekend. We could see a few thunderstorms on the tail end of that cold front as we get into Sunday morning. But other than that, it is just going to be all rain all the time, Dia.
All right.